Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk you through setting up YouTube channels and playlists so you can post videos from any YouTube channel or playlist on full autopilot. So the first thing we need to do is we need to head back to the settings tab here, and we need to fill in this Google API key section here, and basically that just lets FanMarketer go out and search through Google for you to find you some videos. So the first thing we need to do is go to Google Developers Console. So search for Google Developers Console. And then we go to click on this link here. So it's console.developers.google.com. And this has automatically logged me in to a project, but I just want to go back to the dashboard here. Yeah. So when you sign in, you should see something like this. You may need to log into your Google account to set this up if you don't have one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a project. And I'm going to call it, FanMarketer. And I'm going to click create. So I just need to give it a little bit of time to create this project for me. Okay, so we have created our project called FanMarketer. The next thing we need to do is we need to click YouTube Data API here. So make sure you're clicking on the YouTube Data API because there's three different ones. If we go back there, so there's three different ones. We need to click on YouTube Data API. And then we need to click Enable. And then we need to go to credentials, and then we need to create credentials. And we need to do API key. And we need to copy this key and close. And so now we take that key and then we paste it in here and then we save. So that's the first thing to do, and that's all we need to do to allow FanMarketer to access YouTube on our behalf. So now we can find some YouTube channels that we want to use with our app. So I'm going to head over to YouTube here, and then I'm going to search for a channel. So I'm going to search for Apple, and we can find here there's a good channel here. This is the official Apple channel, so that seems like something that would be quite good to post to my fan page. So all you need to do is copy the channel URL or the playlist URL. So this is what a channel URL looks like. You can see here it's the home page of the channel. So you need to use this. Please note you don't want to be using a video URL. So if I was to click on this video, you can see here this is a video. This is a video URL. You can see it's got watch question mark and an ID in here. Don't use a video URL, it won't work. You need to use a channel URL because it's the channel that FanMarketer will look at, so it'll look through all these videos and post all these videos for you. So you need to use a channel URL. So use the channel home page, click home for a channel, and then copy whatever's up here. So I'm going to go back to my campaign. And go back here. And I'm going to go to video. And I'm going to add it in here, and we need to choose channel because we need to identify this as a channel. So I'm choosing channel, and then I click add. And we can also, once again, choose how often you want this to post. I'm just going to leave it on standard, and I'm going to also show you how to do a playlist. So if we go to a playlist here, say I wanted to just post something very specific, so it's just things related to iPhones. So I would click here from the playlist. So and this is the URL I need to use. So you can see in this Apple channel, we've got several tabs. We've got home, we've got video, we've got playlists. We want to click playlists, choose which playlist, and then copy the URL. So a playlist URL should say playlist in it with a question mark. Remember, you don't want to use the video URL. Make sure it doesn't have watching. Use a playlist URL or a channel homepage URL. So I'm going to add a playlist now. So this is the playlist I want to add. Add a playlist. And there we go, all set up. So that's video set up. And remember, as always, if you want things to post, remember that your campaign is turned on, otherwise nothing will post.